Here we are at Cedar Crest Varsity Baseball Field. You may have noticed some renovations occurring on the field. Reason for the renovation, we had some unsafe playing conditions on the field with lips that developed over the last 25 years. Ground ball would hit the lip, unknowing which way it was going to bounce and injuring some baseball players. So the Parent Booster Club raised the money to renovate the baseball field. Luckily, we have Hummer Sports Turf in our backyard out of Mannheim that's doing the work for us. Basically, they took all the infield mix out, regraded the field so we have surface drainage. In the water. So for next March, we hope to have a brand new baseball field safe for everyone to play on.
I believe it's important, for two main reasons, playability and for safety. The spring season, as we know, can be a very challenging time weather-wise, and with the accumulation over time of many low spots, both in the grass and the dirt, it becomes very challenging to not only play games on days where we've had some rain, but also to get a lot of practice time in. And I think the second and another extremely important reason is the safety. As we have over 30 years of use, time, maintenance, we've had a lot of low spots that developed between grass and dirt. That became a real safety hazard for many of the players with batted balls. So I think this renovation is going to take care of both of those things.